So hello people, how you going today? And today we have another unboxing. Oh, the zoom is too much. And I brought some banknotes. These are actually from South Korea, because when you get stuff off eBay, yes, I buy most of my stuff off eBay. I don't really buy them from anywhere else because it's the largest variety. Most sellers are okay, and you can also get a lot of bargains. Okay, and sometimes you get messages like this. I should actually start sending these. So, and you see, it's from South Korea. It's probably very good in English. A lot of Koreans are. So a lot of people around the world. So let's have a look at what I've got. Oh, this is a first, a Trinidad Tobago $1. So, what is the value of a Trinidad Tobago $1? So the exchange rate is 6.771 US dollars. So this is a little bit less than 20 US cents. So probably about, let's turn it around. Okay, 14 US cents. So that's pretty low value, and it's actually a banknote. They actually do issue a $1 coin. So the earlier banknotes actually had a single letter prefix or a prefix, a letter over a number, but this one has a double letter, so it is actually one of the later issues. It's still dated 1964, but it's most likely, based on the signature, it is a 1977. So this is a 1970s banknote. It's in pretty good condition. As you can see, there's a watermark there. Not too sure what the actual watermark is. It's a type of native bird. Looks like a bird of paradise, but they don't actually exist in the Americas. And we have some ibis. Then we have the coat of arms, and on the back we have the central bank building, or it used to be the Treasury building, it probably still is. And here's the old derrick, so old platform, which if you don't know, Trinidad Tobago actually has a lot of oil. Down the bottom has some writing, so looks like the ink has actually come off. Can I see it on the other side? No. So there's writing on the bottom. Someone's written on that banknote. Okay, another one we have is, let me just try and group these. Don't worry about it. So, Nicaragua, as you can see, the C series, 1972. This one is the Central Bank of Nicaragua. Pretty ugly building actually. The two Cordobas. So this is the earlier Cordoba that was actually inflated. The current Cordoba actually is not related to this. And here we have some plants on the back. So that's a nice banknote. Security thread, no window. That's a pity. Next one we have is the first Bolivar from Venezuela. And at this time, this was actually pretty worthless. They actually, I think the highest coin at this time was the 5 Bolivars, but in 98, I believe to 2000, they actually issued higher denominated banknotes. Here we go, Jose Antonio Paez, don't know who he is, looks a bit like Einstein actually, and he's in the watermark as well. There's a security thread. And here we have a monument, most likely the Independence Monument, because of how grand it is. And I have to say, this hay fever is killing me. So that's a nice banknote. Here's the coat of arms as well. Then the next banknote is a Bahamas $1. So this is an earlier version, and as you can see at the top, the issue is 1974 up there, and it also has a single signature. And it's the second one because it has the letter over a number. instead of just a single letter. And I got this note because look at the back. That is just beautiful. It has a coral reef with a lot of different types of fish. So you've got coral, looks like you've got sea fans, you've got, not too sure what type of fish it is, another coral as well. And we have a plant, so probably native to the Bahamas. This is printed by Thomas de la Rue. The watermark is a gastropod. So gastropods are sea snails and land snails. So that's a nice banknote, quite like that. That's why I got that one. Then we have a 985, 1,000 pesos, I don't know, this is actually an inflationary banknote. And here we have Juana de Esbalia. This is in very good condition. This was replaced by a coin in, I think, 1988, because inflation actually got in the way. And then on the back, we have Plaza Santo Domingo. And that is actually quite a nice banknote, very decorative. Oh, a Canadian banknote. So this is the 1974 issue, so the $2 was replaced in 1996 by a $2 coin. That's just from memory, I could be wrong. But curious thing is, the serial numbers are both in different colours. New with the coat of arms of Canada. The earlier portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. And we have some fishermen. So I need to look this up, and I'll do another video on that one. Oh, another banknote of Canada. I think I got a few out of this. And this is a 1954. Not too sure on the value of these. As you can see, it's got French and English. One of the first portraits of Queen Elizabeth II. And here we have Outback. Not too sure what that is. This looks like in the style of US banknotes, and as it has a number down there, might have been printed in the United States. Does this one have a number on it? Oh yeah, 84 as well. So that's definitely US style. And here we have, that one goes with the $2 banknote. So I've got the $1 and $2 banknotes of this issue, 73, 74. As you can see, the design is pretty much the same. And what's on the other side of this one? Pity I didn't actually reference what they... That looks like it might be someplace in Quebec, Toronto or somewhere. Just by the type of architecture. Looks a bit French to me. Okay. Oh, 5,000 zloty. So I'm trying to get this series. It's quite nice. Beautiful series. So this one's Frédéric Chopin. So he was a classical composer. His music's actually quite good. And 1988. So this actually is an inflation banknote. And here we have some musical notation, which would take from one of his compositions, but I'm not sure what. Looks like it's got a name up there, but I can't really read that. Poloskini or something. And the last banknote, which is a nice one, is a Serbian 1,000 dinar. So this is worth about 10 Australian dollars. Watermark is this guy. It is Dodre Fet. And these are actually the same design that they actually used on the previous Yugoslav banknotes, the last issue. But these ones are a lot better. And what date is this one? Okay, they have a date on it somewhere. Might be on the other side. 2011. There you go. This one's actually quite a nice banknote, and it's still in circulation. So anyway, I hope you do like these banknotes. I'll leave a link down to the actual seller because it's actually quite good. And I'd just like to thank you for watching my video. Have an awesome banknote collecting time, people. Thank you, and bye-bye.